Good morning, little Misty. Little Misty Pooh. We were playing, so I decided I should take a video of you, because you're in such a good mood. And I should hurry up and take a video before you become not in a good mood. Boop, 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 boop. Uh-oh. Want to be super baby again? Let's take a look at these socks that you like. There's the socks. Yep, see? She's looking at them. Ooh. Ooh. My favorite socks. Those are my favorite socks. Sorry, okay. Uh-oh. Well, Misk, today is the morning after the new top 5 snowstorm blizzard thingies. We made the top 5. Whoa! Oh no! Oh! Come back here! See? There's some icicles. Big icicles. There's our big, huge snowdrift. And out there, I'm going to have to take a video.